In this video tutorial I will show you how to remove the background from a picture. There's many ways you can do this, but this method that I will show you is by far the easiest and fastest, and it's also free. To start off the tutorial, let's go to the website remove.bg. This website uses artificial intelligence software to remove the background from any image. First, click on the blue Upload Image button. Then select the image from which you want to remove the background. Now click on Open to begin uploading and removing the background. As you can see, it's fast and easy. You can do this with images that have people and also other objects like cars, for example. Let me show you. To download the image, just click the blue download button. As you can see, the resolution is a bit small, but this can sometimes be fixed with upscaling the image. For this we use a website called deep-image.ai. You will need to create a free account on this website to use it. Just go there, the link is in the video description, and choose a file to upload. Here you can choose how big to make the image, as well as whether or not you want to remove noise or artifacts. Then click on the Enhance Image button. To download the upscaled image, click on the Download Image button. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helps you out. If you want to support the channel, please remember to like, comment, subscribe and share this video.